How to save your first $10,000. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, wondering how some people seem to effortlessly save thousands while you struggle to save even a little? Saving your first $10,000 isn't about making a fortune overnight or getting a high-paying job. It's about strategy, discipline, and consistent action. In this video, we'll break down a step-by-step roadmap to save your first $10,000 efficiently. This guide is designed for beginners or anyone who wants a solid financial foundation. By following these steps, you'll not only reach $10,000, but also develop the habits that can grow your wealth exponentially over time. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to like and subscribe, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Understand the psychology of saving before taking any action. It's essential to understand why saving feels difficult. Most people fail because they treat saving as a restriction or punishment. They think, I'm sacrificing fun now so I can save later. This mindset makes it easy to give up. The key is to shift your perspective. Saving isn't about denial. It's about creating freedom. Every dollar you save brings you closer to financial independence, security, and opportunities. Another psychological trick is visualization. Imagine what your first $10,000 will do for you. Pay off debt, start investing, or create an emergency fund. This vision fuels motivation and makes small sacrifices easier to stick to. Lastly, set clear boundaries for your money. Decide what portion goes to spending, saving, and investing up front. When your priorities are clear, your brain stops negotiating with temptation. Assess your current financial situation. To save $10,000, you need a clear understanding of your starting point. Many people skip this step and act blindly, leading to wasted effort. Start by calculating your total income: salary, side hustles, freelance work, or any other sources. Next, list all your expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, subscriptions, and discretionary spending. Don't forget irregular or annual expenses like insurance or car maintenance. Next, track your debts: credit cards, loans, or personal borrowing. Note the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Now calculate your net cash flow: income minus expenses. If your expenses exceed income, the first step is cutting costs or increasing earnings. This assessment will give you clarity on how much you can realistically save each month. Set a clear savings goal and timeline. Saving $10,000 without a plan is like driving without a map. You need a specific goal and a timeline. Break your goal into manageable steps. For example, if your target is 12 months, you need to save approximately $33 per month. If your target is 6 months, you need to save $1,667 per month. Write down your goal, the monthly breakdown, and the daily amount you need to save. Having numbers in black and white creates accountability and makes your progress measurable. Visual reminders can also help. Place a chart, sticky notes, or a digital tracker in a visible place to remind yourself daily of your target. Motivation often fades over time, so keep your goal in sight. Create a realistic budget. Budgeting is the foundation of saving. It's not about limiting yourself. It's about directing every dollar purposefully. Start by categorizing your spending: essentials, rent, groceries, utilities, transportation; financial priorities, savings, debt repayment, investments; discretionary spending, eating out, entertainment, shopping. Now assign exact amounts to each category based on your income. The goal is to maximize savings without sacrificing necessities. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline: 50% for essentials, 30% for lifestyle choices, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Track every dollar you spend. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet can help. Awareness is key. Many people overspend simply because they don't know where their money goes. Cut unnecessary expenses aggressively. To reach $10,000 quickly, every extra dollar counts. Start by eliminating expenses that don't add real value to your life. Examples include unused subscriptions, daily coffee or takeaway, impulse online shopping, expensive habits or entertainment. Even small reductions add up. Skipping a $5 coffee daily saves $150 per month. Cutting unnecessary subscriptions may free hundreds annually. Focus on value over convenience. You don't need to live without joy, but prioritize spending that contributes to your goal. Redirect freed up money directly into your savings. Pay yourself first. The wealthy and financially savvy use a simple rule: Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying anything, allocate a portion of income towards savings. Even 10 to 20% of your income can make a huge difference. Automate this process so the money goes directly into a savings account the moment you receive your paycheck. Paying yourself first transforms saving from a choice into a non-negotiable habit. Over time, this approach builds discipline and ensures consistent progress toward $10,000. Use multiple accounts to organize money. Organization is key. Open separate accounts for different purposes. Emergency fund, a buffer for unexpected expenses. Goal savings account, where your $10,000 will accumulate. Spending account, for daily expenses and essentials. Segregating money reduces temptation and provides a psychological boost as you watch your goal account grow. Every deposit into the goal account feels like progress, reinforcing motivation. Increase your income. Cutting expenses alone may not be enough. Increasing income accelerates savings and reduces stress. Options include freelancing or gig work. Use skills like writing, design, coding, or tutoring. Selling unused items. Declutter and earn extra cash. Side businesses, small ventures online or offline. Upskilling. Learn a high-demand skill to get a raise or promotion. Even small amounts matter. If you can make an extra $200, $500 monthly and allocate it to savings, your $10,000 goal becomes reachable faster. And avoid lifestyle inflation. As income grows, most people increase spending proportionally. Bigger houses, fancier cars, or luxury items. This is lifestyle inflation, and it kills savings goals. Instead, maintain or slightly improve your lifestyle while directing extra income to savings. This approach accelerates wealth creation and keeps financial stress low. Every raise, bonus, or side income should first fund savings goals before increasing spending. It's not about denial, it's about strategic allocation for future freedom. Use high-interest savings or low-risk investments. Keeping all your money in a regular checking account means minimal growth. Once you have a buffer, move your savings into high-interest savings accounts, money market accounts, or low-risk investments. This way, your money works for you while you sleep. Even modest returns accelerate progress toward $10,000, especially when combined with disciplined contributions. Avoid high-risk investments if your primary goal is stability. Focus on safe, predictable growth until your first milestone is reached. Track progress. Weekly and adjust consistency is key. Don't wait until the end of the month to review your savings. Track weekly. Are you meeting your weekly savings targets? Are expenses within the budget? Can you find additional ways to save? Regular monitoring allows quick adjustments. If you overspend one week, make up for it in the next. This habit ensures you stay on track and makes reaching $10,000 predictable, not accidental. Minimize debt and avoid new debt. High-interest debt slows progress, while saving, avoid taking on new debt. Credit cards, loans, or unnecessary financing can undo months of effort. If debt exists, prioritize paying off high-interest balances alongside saving. This dual approach reduces financial strain and accelerates wealth accumulation. Debt management also improves your financial confidence, letting you focus on growth rather than just survival. Automate savings for consistency. Automation removes human error and temptation. Set up recurring transfers from checking to savings, automatic contributions to investment or retirement accounts. Automation ensures your money moves toward your goal consistently, regardless of mood or distractions. The system works quietly in the background, compounding progress toward $10,000 while you focus on your life and income growth. Celebrate milestones without breaking the budget. Motivation matters. Saving $10,000 may take months, and consistent effort can feel monotonous. Celebrate small milestones, $1,000, $5,000, etc., with inexpensive rewards or personal recognition. This reinforcement keeps discipline sustainable and creates a positive feedback loop. Remember, progress, not perfection, is key. Saving your first $10,000 comes down to clarity, discipline, and consistent action. When you manage your finances, set clear goals, control spending, pay yourself first, and track progress, you create a system that works. Financial stability isn't luck, it's about smart, intentional decisions. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Your first $10,000 is closer than you think. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe. Your support motivates me to create more actionable financial guides to help you achieve real financial freedom.